Hello guys, welcome to another tutorial. In this tutorial I would like to show us how we could convert shapefile into KML and then add up the KML file into Google Earth Pro to extract satellite imagery of any area of interest of your choice in the world. And I have a video where I covered how you can download the shapefile of any region of the world. I will drop the link in the description box below. So the first thing we have to do here is to go to my folder where I download some shapefile of some country. I'm going to China ADM, that is administrative. I'll right click and then I copy, then minimize, then I right click, go to new folder, I create a new folder. The reason why I always do that is to ensure easy accessibility to my folder. So I'll type in China admin and press click on enter. Then I open up this file, China admin. Open up file, then I paste that copies folder. So I right click and unzip it because this is a zip file. I extract here and there we have it. So the next step is to head straight for your arc map, then come to layer and then go to property, map display. Let's display the mass in kilometers because I would like us to use Beijing as our case study area. Use kilometer and apply and okay. You need to know that you don't need to georeference because the shapefile just come in handy. You already georeference. So the next step is to add up. Come to my standard toolbar here. I'll right click on that layer and add data. Then I'll connect the folder. I'll search for that folder on my desktop. Go to this PC. My desktop actually download. Okay, then China admin. Left click once and left click again. Now I'm going to left click on the first one, China ADM 3, and hold on shift and come to the last China ADM 0 and left click as well. Then I add up the data, wait for it to process. And here we have it. Now I would like to show you how you can view the geographical coordinate information of all these shapefile. All you need to do is to left click, right click, go to property, wait for it to load, and then you come to source here, left click. You can see the data type is shapefile, feature class. The Z value doesn't have any Z value, but the geographical coordinate system is WGS 1984. The dating is also WGS 1984, so you don't need to set any other thing. Just click OK. So the next step is to first of all uncheck this, check this, check this, check this. Now I'll click on the first one, right click, and then go to the attribute table. Then you can actually see that these are the names of the province, and some of them are municipality here, some of them are autonomous region. So this is Beijing, is name 1. So we'll be going to right click so that we'll be able to identify where Beijing is. Go to property, then come to label, allow it to load. So we click on name 1, apply. You can adjust this to see. Okay, then you right click again and activate the level feature. Then you can see this is where we have our Beijing. This is actually the municipality. Okay, then I would like to look for that device is more into. Okay, let's go to China ADM3. Yes, I think this is the one we'll be needing next. You left click, you go to the attribute table and look at these are county, city and county under name tree. So we'll be activating name tree. So I will left click and go to property as well, then allow it to load. Is actually going to the label feature because that was the previous field I went to. So we said that it's name tree. We go to name tree, activate it and apply and okay. You right click as well and then check on label feature. So we can actually see that this is a Beijing. Actually it falls under Beijing, but let's look at the information. Okay, it's a municipality. You can see it here, that's 78. It's a municipality. So we'll close. So this is the actual one we'll be saving. So I'll uncheck the first one and allow this. So I'm going to extract this. So what do? We come to this tool, call it tools bar. You can access it by right clicking at the empty space and then click on tools bar. It's here, it appears there. Okay, so I select my cycle, I select this region, then I go to geoprocessing, then clip, wait for it to process. Now input future is going to be China ADM3. Click future is also going to be China ADM3. Then I always like giving location for my output. I'll actually take it to that same folder I created. Go to the downloads. For you can just go to desktop, China admin, and left click, right click and then create a folder. Maybe just give it any name. I'll call mine data and enter. Left click, I'll come back to data and left click, then you apply OK. Then we can type in Beijing municipality and apply save. Then I run it. So it's processing. You can see it at the bottom. So we'll wait for it to process. Okay, and there we have it. You can see it here. So what I will do, I'll uncheck this and just allow Beijing Municipality. So the next thing we'll do, we'll come to window and click on search. It appears here. You type in KML and hit on the search. Then you select layer to KML conversion and left click on it once. It asks me for the layer. The layer will be Beijing Municipality. And then output, I also like to take it to that same file called data. And then I've connected, it's already here, data. But to be sure, you can repeat the process. This is it under data. I'll type in Beijing KML KMZ to save and then you execute. It's actually processing here. Okay, let's wait for it. It's actually done, but the only thing is that it won't appear here. Let's minimize. I'll come to our desktop. You can see China admin here. I open it up, then I go and I open up data. You can actually see this is the KML. It's already having what do you call it, Google Earth Pro file extension already. So the next step I will do is to ensure that we have a secure internet connection. So what we'll do is connecting your network and allow it to connect to your server. So it's connected already. So I'll just straight head up for my Google Earth Pro, and then I go to File and go to Open. Allow for the directory to load. The window will pop up. Now I will go look at this already connecting automatically under my desktop, China, ADM, under data. Then we have KML Beijing. I'll hit on Open. Okay, and allow it to process. It's actually processing. Okay, let me repeat that. Hit on Beijing, the file name is down here. Hit on Open, and you allow it to load. It will automatically take you to that area. And there we have it. What we'll do, we'll come to the view and then go to reset tilt and compass. Then you go down here and access this Beijing KML. You go to the property, you come to color. For the area color, we'll just select outline. For the line, we select red color. Okay, and then we can increase the width to 5 so that it can be more seen, more pronounced. Then you click on OK. So you can actually readily adjust in. Maybe you want to save up this region. Now you can turn up the name of the gallery and maybe places in order for you to get familiar with the study area. So you can actually see the names are gradually coming up. So you can hover around to check to see the extent. These are at crop. You can play around this. Play around, zoom in to see the entire Beijing municipality. You can see data bodies and everything. You can see the accessibility. That's a road network. The one that's in the work of construction. You can see the detailing. Zoom in to allow it to render so that you can see the clearer coverage of that area. Okay. You can see the circular like road network as well. So the next step is to save this as a JPEG. So what I will do is I will come to view, then tilt and compass to make sure it's alright, and then the true north is well aligned. Then the next step is to come to this aspect here where we can save. Okay, sorry, this next one, save image. I click on it. What I normally do is you can come here, you can allow your legend. Okay, let's make it 100% and apply. Click on still minute. Why don't you try 400%? Okay, I believe that is sufficient enough. Then we can come back here and click on the description. Then we can type in Beijing Municipality China. Then you can add up the compass, show the true north, and then you can add up the scale. Now you can see that the compass is tilted towards northwest. So what you do, you come to view, then you come to tilt and compass. It adjusts this straight and gives you the perfect alignment that you need. So the next step is to save this work. You ensure that you check on the maximum quality, then I click on it's a description. I'll just type locational map of Beijing Municipality, China. Enter. I click on enter. Then I'll hit on save. You can see the legend is here, the scale is below, and then the north arrow is here. So what we'll do is you hit on save, and then I type in China. Yes, I have it under China admin. So that's the directory which I'll be saving this image, though I have an existing work here. So I'll type it as China Beijing. Then I can hit on save. Okay, I like to load, and there you have it. So what we'll do, we'll minimize, then check this as well. I look for the folder China admin. Okay, so it's here. I open it up and it's under my data. I save it as China Beijing. So let's open it up and see what we have. So you can see, you can zoom in to actually see the extent, area coverage. Okay, so there you have it, guys. So thank you very much for having your time on this tutorial. Do ensure that you remember to subscribe on my channel as Urban Planning Studio helps, and also like the videos. Also don't forget to turn on the notification button. I really appreciate that. So I'll catch you up on the next one. I'm out. Thank you.